I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry goat. First, ensure your goat meat is properly cleaned and cut into manageable pieces, about 2 inches each. This initial preparation is crucial for even cooking and flavor absorption. You'll also want to gather all your spices and ingredients before you begin the cooking process, making the entire experience smoother and more enjoyable. Having everything ready saves time and prevents last-minute scrambling. Once your goat meat is clean, it's time to infuse it with flavor. Combine 3 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a blend of fresh herbs like thyme and scallions. Rub this mixture thoroughly into the meat, ensuring every piece is coated. For best results, let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or ideally overnight. This step is key to developing that rich, authentic curry goat taste. Now let's build the flavor base for your curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing until fragrant and softened, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, stir in an additional 2 tablespoons of curry powder, allowing it to toast for about 1 minute. This step deepens the curry's color and enhances its aromatic qualities. After toasting the curry powder, add your marinated goat meat to the pot, browning it slightly on all sides. Pour in 2 cups of water or chicken broth, ensuring the meat is mostly submerged. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for at least 1.5 hours, or until the goat is fork tender. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Serve your delicious curry goat hot with rice or roti.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.